Hello everyone, spent a day with my family and I at the beach. So we woke up very early that fateful day, my daughter and I. This is like 7 a.m. and we had to put together our beach stuff, what we're going to use, and then I headed off to prepare the meals that we're going to eat because it's going to be breakfast all the way through lunch and then supper. I made some gizzard soya like you can see, boiled some eggs and prepped the veggies that I had bought the previous day, and off to the beach we went. Follow us.
It's gonna be fun. A long day of sun, water, sand. Don't forget the bathing suit. I won't forget my bathing suit. Don't forget the tail. That is the beach. Don't forget enchiladas. Don't forget the enchiladas.
Then we got to the beach. It was a short drive because the beach is just a few miles away from our home, and we had to walk from the car to bring the stuff that we had and pitch our tents. Keep watching. We are at the beach. Look at our daddy, he's coming with so many things. Me, I don't run. You cannot run on sand. Just try to walk fast. Yee. It's such a cool day because it's a weekday. Actually, today's Thursday, so it's not crowded. Feeling my sakia, feeling my beach swag, feeling my Okay, since we'll be spending the whole day here, we have to pitch a tent. Because the sun there can be underneath it.
I mean, it's on your image is. We are going to the beach. It is
this. Move your finger. Your finger is closing the between. Yeah, here. For landscape, the worry finger the closer.
We are going to the beach. I say hello.
Hello. I'm making pop-up at that way.
Umbrella, la 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 la. So that is the technician of. That's nice. So good.
Abam! I is the day at the beach. Me, I is the day at the beach. You're coughing. Mommy, what? You say you wanted to enter water, now they put you your crying. Swim.